S12 8K Professional GPS Drone, Brushless Motor, 2-axis Gimbal, Laser Obstacle Avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi, Large Screen Remote Control. Introducing the S12 Drone, a powerful, professional-grade quadcopter that combines cutting-edge aerial technology with sleek design and smooth usability. Whether you're an aspiring aerial photographer, a hobbyist, or a first-time pilot looking to explore the skies, the S12 delivers a premium experience with its 8K high-definition camera. Brushless motor system, laser obstacle avoidance, and built-in screen controller for real-time FPV. With a lightweight build of only 245 grams, this drone offers 25 minutes of flight time, intelligent GPS features, and an intuitive remote control that doesn't require your smartphone, making it a fully independent and travel-friendly flying machine. 8K HD camera with 2-axis gimbal, capture every detail. Equipped with a professional-grade camera system, the S12 captures ultra-clear stills and video in 8K resolution, stills, and 1920 by 1080p HD video. The integrated 2-axis mechanical gimbal ensures smooth, stable shots even during rapid movements or light wind conditions. Whether you're flying at high altitudes or gliding just above the ground, your footage will be cinematic, sharp, and shake-free. Large screen remote controller. See without a phone. Forget about fiddling with apps or draining your phone battery. The S12 includes a built-in display on the controller, offering real-time FPV transmission and telemetry data right in front of your eyes. This makes setup, flight control, and camera framing faster and more efficient than ever before. GPS Intelligent Positioning. Fly smart. Thanks to integrated GPS and optical flow positioning, the S12 offers intelligent flight features such as one-key return to home, low battery auto return, stable hovering and precision landing, waypoint flight and follow me modes. You'll always know where your drone is and be able to recover it easily even at long distances. Brushless motors plus laser obstacle avoidance. Powered by durable brushless motors, the S12 offers longer flight time, reduced noise, better cooling, and stronger wind resistance, up to less than 10 km per hour. The laser obstacle avoidance system adds an additional layer of protection, helping the drone detect and avoid nearby hazards during flight. Key technical specifications. Model, S12 8K Professional Drone. Camera, 8K photos, 1080p HD video, 1920 x 1080. Gimbal, 2-axis mechanical stabilization. Motor, type brushless, obstacle avoidance. Laser, front-facing, remote control, with large integrated display. GPS. Yes, with auto return and tracking. Flight time, up to 25 minutes. Control range, 1000 meters. Connectivity, 5G Wi-Fi, remote controller, app. Operating frequency, 2.4 GHz. Weight, 245 grams. No registration needed in many regions. Battery removable, rechargeable. Sensor size, 1/4 inch. Wind resistance, less than 10 km per hour. Category, camera drone, aerial photography. Supported, propeller guards not included, optional, display control. Yes, color display. What's in the box? One S12 GPS drone, one large screen remote controller, one drone battery, 4 spare propellers, one USB charging cable, one screwdriver, one user manual, optional carrying case in premium package. Perfect for beginners and intermediate drone users, aerial photographers and vloggers, kids and teens, under adult supervision. Anyone looking for a feature-rich, budget-friendly GPS drone.